Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll learn one important program to display multiplication table. Okay, program to display multiplication table. For example, if user gives 5 from the keyboard, we should print fifth table. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like that. Okay. Similarly, if the user give number 7, we should print 7 table. So hope you understand the problem statement. So let's get into the program and solve the program now. So first one. So in order to solve this program, we need to understand Python for loop as well as the input and output statements. Because we need for loop. Why do we need for loop? In order to iterate over the numbers. So let's start. First, let's take the input from the keyboard. So in order to take the input from the keyboard, what we'll use? We'll use input function. So input display enter number. Okay, and then what we need to do? In order to do this, right? First, let me go what we are trying to do. For example, if the number is given as 5, the output should be 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 5 into 3 equal to 15, so on. Okay, so if you see here, this number, whatever the number we give, right, this will remain same here. The only thing that is getting changed over here is what? This value. Okay, so we'll iterate or we'll give this value. Okay, and we'll loop through each value and we'll print. So how do we do that? So for I, okay, whatever the value we have here, we'll store it in I. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. For I in range 1, 11, print num, here this is the value, okay, which we are taking from the keyboard. For example, if you are taking 5, okay, we are printing 5, and then what we need to do? Into here x, we can take the value of x here. I'm just putting capital X. Okay, and then I, and then finally again comma, single quotes, equal to. Why? Because we have completed this num is 5 and x we have placed in the single quote, comma, I value is nothing but we are iterating from 1 to 10, so that will come over here, and finally equal to, and this value is coming here, equal to, and here what we need to do is we need to get the multiplication of these two numbers. Here what we need to do? This is num, this is I, this is num, this is I. So here we need to give num star I, num star I. So this will give you the multiplication of the two numbers, with value of multiplication of two numbers. 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15. Got it? And here if you see this, what is this range function does? So this I value, whenever we use range function with for, what it does is it will iterate through each and every value. By default it will increment 1. By default it will increment 1. If you see here, we didn't wrote anywhere the condition like I equal to I plus 1. Then how the increment is happening in the for loop? Okay, so by default the default value is 1 here. Okay, so 1, 11. Here we are giving 1, 11. Why? Because it will include 1 and it will exclude 11. Okay, and it will print the value only till 10. It will not consider the last value. So hope you understood, right, how we are writing the program. So first I'll explain you how this works. First, if the I value is 1 for I in range, so range starts from 1. So for I will be 1 here. I'm just putting hash over here. I will be 1. So here I equal to 1. So what happens in this line, what we are printing? 1 comma, okay, 1 capital X. And what is the, sorry, now what is num here? For example, if I am printing number 5, not 1 here. If you are taking the number 5, if you want to display the multiplication table for 5, so num will become what? 5. So I'm just writing 5 here, and then single quote X, and then I equal to 1. What is the value of I over here? 1. Why? Because the loop starts from first. I equal to 1. So 5x 1 equal to num star I. 5 into 1 equal to what? 5. It will print 5. Now, as I told you, I will increment by default when we use the range function. So now I will become, so after execution of this statement, again I will become 2. So for I in range 2, so I will become 2. So print, what is the num? 5 x 2, because num is 5, x, I value is 2, and here we are printing 5 into 2, which is 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Similarly, it will go till I will go till 10. Okay, so it will be printed like that. Let's run the program and see the output. I'm just removing this 3 statements. So hope you understand the program, how to display multiplication table in Python. Let's run the program and see the output. Enter number. I'm giving 5 for example. If you see here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, it printed till 5 tens are 50. Okay, for example, if I'm giving the number as 8, okay, it will print 8 ones are 8 twos are. For example, if I'm giving number as 25, you see here, it will print 25th table. Okay, whatever the number you give, it should print till 10. If you want to increase this from 10 to 20, what we need to do here, just change 11 to 21. Okay, now what it will do, it will print 25 table till 20 times. Okay, 25 into 20, which will equal to 500. Let's run the program and see the output. It's pretty easy to change. This is the benefit of the loops. With less code, we can get more functionality. Okay, so 20 is 400, 25 20, so till 20, start from 1 till 20, we can print this multiplication table. So hope you understood how to write a multiplication table in Python, how to display multiplication table in Python. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.